Hi, I'll walk you through a quick demo of Engini inside Monday, from job description all the way to hiring. First, I upload a job description file. The agent scans the file and automatically extracts the key information, structuring it into a clear and usable format. Here's all the job description details. Now she asks if I want to upload CVs or have her find candidates for me. I'll ask her to find candidates. Behind the scenes, she searches across multiple sources and analyzes candidates based on the job requirements. This usually takes just a few seconds while she gathers and ranks the most relevant profiles. As you can see, the board is now being populated with candidate data in real time, like match scores, skills, experience, and LinkedIn profiles. She also highlights the top matching candidates directly in the chat, so I can quickly focus on the best options. She also suggests that I upload a CV if I have a specific candidate I'd like to add. Now she analyzes the file, evaluates the candidate, and adds them to the board with a high match score, just like the others. We can also see the LinkedIn profile here and open it to verify the candidate. It can be very helpful. Now she asks if I want to send a take-home assignment. I confirm. Behind the scenes, she sends the assignment by email and updates the candidate's status to take-home assignment sent. Everything is handled automatically, including the communication and tracking. The stats has been updated, and we can also see the email that was sent. We can review all the details and also the file with the home assignment. Now I reply to the email as the candidate and submit the assignment. The agent continuously monitors the inbox, and once she detects the submission, she automatically updates the status to assignment submitted. No manual tracking needed. Now I know that the candidate has been submitted the assignment, and finally, I can ask her to schedule a meeting. She checks my calendar, finds an available slot, schedules the meeting, updates the status to interview scheduled, and if we switch back to the mailbox, we can see that she sends a calendar invite by email. That's it for now. Thanks for listening.